How to use SeatGuru when traveling with pets. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use SeatGuru while traveling with pets. Now, while traveling with pets, you would know that you need enough space, enough leg room for comfort, right? So the major way you can use SeatGuru is by choosing best seats with enough with extra leg room with a recline. So to do that, once you are on the Seat Guru website, move to the top part of the screen where you can see the tab, seat maps, and then click on it. By clicking on seat map, you'll be taken to the seat map page where you'll be able to find your flight seat map. So to do that, enter in the airline that you used to that you registered with or that you booked your flight under, and then select the flight. And so after doing that, select your departure date and then select your or enter in your flight number. Then move to the right side and click on find. By clicking on find, you'll be taken to your seat map. All right, Google Seat Guru will display your seat map, and then once you're there, you will see the quality of the seats on seat maps are color coded. All right, we have the green color, we have the yellow color, and then we have the red color. The green color are good seats with extra leg room, recline, and other perks. The yellow seats are seats with some drawbacks, such as limited recline or proximity to the lavatories, while the red seats are the seats that you should avoid by all costs due to significant issues like no window, limited leg room, or being near the galley. And so once you've seen this, you just move around, check out the seats to see detailed information about each seat, including comments from other users about the legroom and other features. And so look for seats with extra legroom or those located near the front of the cabin, as they often have enough space or more space. And look for seats that are closer to the lavatories. All right. Avoid seats near the back, as they can be noisier and also less comfortable for your pets. Okay, and so the kind of seats that fit into this category are the seats that are color coded as green. So ensure you watch out for those seats, but especially ensure you do not select seats that are at the back so that it can be more comfortable for you and for your pets. So in case you are wondering how you can use SeatGuru while traveling with pets, I'm sure I've answered that question. So ensure you make good use of this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.